This is my review for Vet Promise. So this was a free sample by the brand and it's a flea and tick prevention shoes. So this is how it looks. It has a flavor of a chicken and it naturally repels fleas and ticks and also mosquitoes. So it's 120 chews, like I said, chicken flavor. Here are some nutritional facts. One thing that I can tell you is my puppy loves it because they taste very good. So he doesn't reject them or anything like that. So this, according to the body weight, you will give them 1, 2, 3, up to 5 chews. So mine, I give him 3 chews. Sometimes I give him 4, depends on the need. And also you can mix them with food or you can use them as treats. I preferably like to give it to my puppy in the morning with food, and I like to use them on a daily basis to prevent fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes. Thank you for watching.